Hello, my brothers and sisters of the coin. This is Seismic Sales, another RJ Bullion eBay Live unpackaging. You guys ready? I am. Let's go! Hello everybody, this is Seismic Sales. Welcome to the channel. We're going to do a little shake test real quick. Soundproof sound test. How's that sound? How's that sound? Sound test. Check. Thumbs up. First off, I want to thank all the new subscribers. I believe I had 8 subscribers this week. Thank you guys for joining, and thanks everybody else for watching and clicking those like buttons. If you are new to my channel, I am over 50. I started stacking late in life. I started April 2023, and my first roll of American Eagles cost me like $37 each. Anyway, that's where we're at. If you're also new, don't forget to subscribe and we can learn together. Okay, rip it open. Look at that bounty. It looks like it's somebody's guts. Guts full of goodies. First out of the grab bag is going to be not one, but 2 1-ounce gold American Eagles. Caw-caw! When they auction them, if they're not in caps, you're not going to receive them in caps. So just be aware of that. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Geiger 10-gram bars in caps. I'm not sure why I bought these. This is my first Geiger silver product. I guess I can give them away for presents or something like that. Not worth stacking because of the lightweight. I'll probably give them away as a present to the kids, but I won't be buying any more of these. Next out the bag is a bar, 1 ounce, Swiss made, Golden Gate Bridge, mintage of 3000, I believe. I like the proof. I like the shininess of it. I like the design. I am from the Bay. Just flip it over. Swiss made, 1 ounce fine silver. Ooh, it also has a serial number. It's legit. Next out the bag is not 1, but 2 Nade Dyers 1 ounce silver bars. They also have each individual serial numbers. How's the back look? Yeah, the back looks pretty neat. Reminds me of something from a Tron movie. I like the package they're in. Keeps them all neat. I might cut them out and put them in capsules. I don't know. What do you guys do? Next up is an Aztec calendar, 2 ounce silver round. Last episode, we unboxed 2 5-ounce Aztec calendar bars. I thought it would be nice to add a Aztec calendar 2-ounce round to the stack. Coming in last, I had to buy it, the Wanted Trump mugshot round. I bought 5 of them. I thought it looks cool. Frosted in the front. Look at it. He's all mad. Look at his hair. Wanted for a second term. On the other side reads United States of America, 1 troy ounce, fine silver, and has a picture of the White House with 3 stars on top. That's it for this review of RJ Bullion eBay Live Auctions. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Please share this with everyone. And thanks again to the new 8 subs. Seismic Sales. Talk to you later.